Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious mini pizzas, perfect snack for a day out or any occasion. Okay, so let's start. All the exact measurements will be in the description below. For the ingredients, we are going to need flour, semolina, sugar, yeast, spices, salt, garlic granules, dried oregano, olive oil, and warm water. In a bowl, I already have flour and semolina. I'm just going to mix it with my hand. To that, add sugar, yeast, and your spices. Mix it all together. Add warm water. When you reach this consistency, add olive oil. Knead it for 3 to 4 minutes until you have a soft dough. All we have to do now is cover it and let it rest for an hour in a warm place. Let's check our dough. It's been resting for an hour. It's looking nice and soft. Sprinkle semolina on your worktop so it doesn't stick. Knead it for another minute or so to get the dough back together. Cut it to 8 equal pieces and let it rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. We are back after 20 minutes. Cut each of your dough in half, shape them and place them in your baking tray that has already been lined with parchment paper. I got 16 mini pizzas all together. It's time to do the toppings. I have passata sauce that I already seasoned with salt, pepper and dried oregano. Top your mini pizzas with any filling you like. I'm going to use tuna, black olives, fresh basil, fresh mozzarella and the unmissable grated mozzarella cheese. Drizzle olive oil on each mini pizza and bake it in a preheated oven for 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Here we have our perfectly baked mini pizzas. They are just so great for any occasions. The whole family loves it. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.